Chris Reed and Ken Neufeld here promoting the November big event for you, which is going to be called Project X. What you need to do is check the website regularly, and I'm going to be posting more information as it is revealed.
Which website would that be?
The website's www.thefridge.ca. Very good. Check it out. Check it out. The Fridge, not Fridge, because that'll take you to some like hardware store. Not cool. And if you answer the questions correctly, you will be entered into a prize draw, which will be, you know, pulling a name from a hat on the big event, and you might win a big prize. One to play. So check it out.